Hey guys, how's it going? Zima here, and in this video I wanted to talk about Vision Game, the new website, as well as everything that they've been building, the notes that they sell, and things for the future. In short, in case you never heard about that, they're building a couple different things right now. For example, they have the next-gen crowdfunding platform. Think of this as a launchpad, but they also have their own notes behind it, in which you can profit not just right now for farming the token day by day, but also by staking the token, making money that way long term, also having access to their launchpad and other things that they launch right now. For example, they have one thing called Vision Nexus, which is like the next iteration of notes, where right now, if you do already own a note, which costs 750 USDT, you can, on Vision Nexus over here, get not just credits towards the next note, but also get a big discount. You could pretty much say you get like $2,000 worth of things on top of owning a note. They're building something called Crypto Showdown. I think that's a game that has been live already, for which they had this image over here, which is their TCG that is debuting on Solana with plans to bridge into layer Vision, like all the other products. Over $10,000 in Solana will be hidden in packs as part of the launch event. More products to come and innovations in 2025. So this one is something not just for now, but long-term for sure. And the Vision Nexus, for example, when you click on Discover It, you see that it's their DeepIn solution designed to be community-centric and aligned with blockchain's fundamental values. They have additional rewards in V-Nexus tokens for node holders, have a commitment to be a win-win-win approach, and have their philosophy rooted in community empowerment in order to grow together long term. So far, over the past year or so since they launched, they pretty much said that when it comes to financing and games and everything combined, there's the need for a new layer. It faces specific challenges that traditional blockchain layers struggle to meet. They're designed not only to prioritize speed and opt-in gas transactions, but also enable scalability to handle the high volumes of microtransactions typical in gaming, so they're building something future-oriented. They have a token behind it called Vision, down a bit since the launch of their notes, but right now, if you were to stake about $1,000 worth of Vision tokens, you get immediate whitelist access to one Vision Nexus licensed note, but you can also buy a note from Vision Game. I think those are now called Vision Founder notes, in order to get credits to buy a Vision Nexus note, which then also rewards you with their V-Nexus tokens worth of it. Now, they have lots of different points down here, like Vision Trade, Vision Move, Vision Voice, lots and lots of different things. Right now, we're not going into too much detail when it comes to this. The main area for this is to say that when this video goes live, the new website over here is live as well. We can see what they're building, what Vision Nexus is, unleash your computational power, guilds that build together, smart storage for the future, as well as the different tiers of nodes that they have available. We're probably going to make another video covering in detail everything that you need to know. But for now, it's something that is built for developers and designed for players. Now, last year, when everything initially went live, they secured more than $4 million in funding from top-tier VCs. They are on exchanges like KuCoin and Maxi, HTX. You can also get the token on PancakeSwap. Over 20,000 users, more than 1.5 million raised for projects on the Launchpad, and now they're taking the expertise and the success to bring it to new areas in order to grow this entire ecosystem, which then also means if anything in here gets mass adopted, easily a 50 to 100x of the project back to all-time highs and above. They got Vision SDK, built smarter as well as faster, the Loop, a Vision game-driven ecosystem, and more. If you click on Explore the Ecosystem, you again get sent over here to read more about that in the white paper. For now, the goal is that we can still get some Vision Founder notes at $750, in which almost all of them have been sold over here at the current price. The price goes up for every 215 notes sold. Right now it's still at $750. And with their growing ecosystem and the partners they have, this only gets bigger and better over time. They used the last year in order to build and increase everything they have in here, and it's still a good time in order to get some notes for yourself. If you were to have your own project, you could also launch with them in order to get some additional benefits. And if you do own a node, you simply get a revenue share from pretty much all their products. I think it was 25% for everything that they announced and shown over here. So if they make money with Crypto Showdown, for example, 25% of all the money of the profits gets distributed among node holders. Same with their arcade, SDK, GameFi bits, and more. So overall, they're building a lot of different things. And that is just the initial steps so far for the end of this year, for Q4 of 2024, when it comes to the updates that they've shown. But there's more to come in the first quarter of next year and for the entirety of 2025, as long as this bull run lasts and beyond, making this one an engine behind it all, as they say over here. I will leave links to everything down below. Then in the top right corner over here, it says Become a Founder. You will get sent back to the Vision note over here. I'd recommend to get one if you believe in this long term, but of course, check them out yourself, see how you feel, and then make your decision based on that. I appreciate you guys for watching. Get a note or two or 112 before the price goes up. Your decision. Link is down below. We're less at $1 million in market cap, and this can easily go back to 10 million and more, as over 60% of the tokens are already in supply and there aren't that many price shocks anymore. Even right now, the volume is about 20 to 30% of the entire market cap, and they've been listed on a bunch of exchanges already. I think this one is something for you. Let me know what you think, and until next time, bye guys.